All right, guys, I hate to break it to you, but school did you dirty. Your mitochondria isn't just the powerhouse, it should be your best friend. So, the mitochondria over the past 20 years, we've realized is really involved in everything, right? We used to have this model where one cell ate another cell and that little guy became our mitochondria, but I'm starting to think that the small cell infiltrated the big one and it's really big pimping. So the mitochondria drives everything. The mitochondria is what holds the majority of the voltage in your cell. So now the act of grounding, putting your feet on the earth, most of the benefits in the mitochondria. Michael Levin at Tufts University has done a lot of work looking at the bioenergetics for cancer cells. We're also finding that the nucleus, the DNA, really only drives about 10% of actual cancers. So it was Thomas Sinfrey did this study where he took the nucleus of a cancerous cell out, put it into a healthy cell. So what's happening here is now the mitochondria don't have to work as hard. Because the mitochondria don't have to work as hard because they're getting this infrared light from somewhere else, then they can use that chemical energy to drive other processes that support overall health. Turns out that one of the best places to get infrared light is in a green area. Grass, trees, things with chlorophyll happen to reflect all infrared light. So this means that now you're in a UV light protected area underneath a tree, but you're still getting the benefits of the infrared light, which is supporting mitochondrial health and function. We also know that the mitochondria's primary antioxidant is glutathione. There's a tremendous amount of research showing how glutathione really is this driver to reduce inflammation. If you can reduce inflammation, then you're allowing your cells to communicate with the outside environment. So really having a mitochondria-centered focus is one of the best things you can do. And outside of supplements, which are very effective, our science is getting much, much better to understand how those particular compounds can work. Which I'll leave a link to where you can get the Eternal. There's also lots of foods that you could just pull into your diet that are incredibly beneficial. One of them being olive oil, right? You want glass bottle, cold pressed, single origin, if possible, olive oil. Drink that stuff like crazy. It's really, really good for you. Also, dark chocolate. It's pretty medicinal. Dark chocolate also tastes medicinal, but it has a tremendous amount of health benefits. Green tea, organ meats. I know liver doesn't taste good. Maybe you've got a weird thing with eating heart, but you can get it when it's lyophilized, which just means freeze-dried in pill form, and you still get a lot of these benefits. And think about it. The reason dark meat